Are you facing trouble opening the Microsoft Store app on your Windows 11 device? Worry not, as in this video, we're going to fix just that. The first thing that you may want to try is you can repair the app using the built-in tool. Here's how. Open the Settings app by pressing Windows and I keys. Select the Apps tab on the left column and click on Installed Apps on the right pane. Now click on the three-dot menu icon next to the app and select Advanced Options. Finally, scroll down to the Reset section and click on the Repair button. Lastly, Microsoft Store not opening on Windows 11 might be due to an absurd amount of data collected by the store. You need to clear the cache to fix this. Press Windows and R keys to open the Run menu. Type the following and click OK. Windows will showcase a blank command prompt menu. After a couple of seconds, the system will close Windows and open Microsoft Store automatically. Hopefully, this video helps you solve the Microsoft Store not opening properly error in Windows 11. Subscribe to Guiding Tech and delve into one of our specially curated videos just for you.